Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Each other. This is the Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. Brother, how's it?
Sharp, aye, brother. Gunjan.
Sharp next, man. Your thoughts on the game?
What I can tell you, there's no football in these North African teams. There's no football. Yes, I know that they do not want to concede more goals because this is their first leg, and the second leg we are playing in their home ground.
Yeah.
But then there's no football in these teams. We've been seeing this season in, season out.
Yeah.
There is no football in these South African teams.
What do you think makes that to be like that? Because some of the people will say they are here because of they are the champions of Tunisia and all that.
They are the champions, but then you need to show. We don't know what's their philosophy or anything.
Yeah.
What they were trying to do is to catch us on the counters, which didn't work.
They played low block, yeah.
Yes, they played low block, but at least we were able to score one goal.
At home.
Yes, so which means the game is going to be open on their home ground. Yes.
Clean sheet for your team. Going to their home ground, do you think you're going to capitalize again? Or you also going to play a low block?
No low block. We're just going to play according to our philosophy or anything. This thing of low block, it's not our culture. It's not our style of play. So why should we play low block? We will try to penetrate, and if we get a one goal on their home, it's a good thing for us.
Beautiful. Who impressed you the most today?
It has to be Ribeiro, as usual.
Anyway, as usual.
But I'm just disappointed with Suarez and Mudiba and Modau. It's like today they were sleeping, especially Suarez. That's too much. With Modau and Mudiba, they lacked a bit of a vision because there were passes that they were supposed to unleash quickly, but they were delaying that run, so we couldn't be able to attack this team.
Thank you so much. Congratulations for today.
Cheers. Thank you.